and I'm carrying someone's bag. I'm helping people. I like to spread love. Okay, welcome. Oh my God. Ooh. Right now we are in Amazon forest. It looks like, so you can see that everywhere is trees and rocks and some water, not too much water, because we thought there is lack of water, bros, because the water is not enough and before is too long. It is spread long, but water is not as we want. And look at that route, and I can't say that this is route, this is rock hill which we have to climb. Oh my God. Oh, there is no road, there is only rocks and trees, and we are sweating too much. Oh my God. This is beginning, bro. We have to climb approx 1 kilometer.
So hard.
Oh my God. I will go up as fast as I can because otherwise my legs will pain and I can't go up. And it's about how much time? 3:44, and we have to reach before 4 p.m. because we have to go Chinwada from here. Then I have to go Junardev from Chinwada. Oh my God. I will go up more and I will rest a bit. Okay. Oh my God. I will rest a bit here because I need bit rest because my legs are too much paining and I'm very exhausted. Look at that road, we are coming through this way. Oh my God. You can see that the waterfall is there and we are coming from there. Oh my God. Literally guys, I am feeling fully wet because it's sweating everywhere. My whole body is exploding. I feel like exploding. My chest, my legs, my throat, everywhere is feeling like my every body is working too much working. Oh my God. But I like trekking and I will go everywhere in nature place. So this was the beauty of Kukudi Khapa waterfall. I will show you more. I am having bit rest because my legs are not giving me chance to go up or more. Guys, I'm wiping my face and within a few seconds my face wet by sweat. We got water boys here, but I will not drink water because if I drink water, so I will feel like I cannot up more. That's why I'm not drinking water. Oh my God. Oh my God. उधर से घूम के आओ तुम. Oh my God, this is the way. Oh my goodness. इधर से घूम के आना.
सिगरेट पानी बॉटल पानी बॉटल सिगरेट.
Oh my goodness. Finally we reach up. And look at that view. Oh my goodness. This is the view. We went to look and we see that view, very beautiful view. But we are exhausted, very exhausted. I'm very exhausted. And we have to reach there from waterfalls up. Look at the views, guys. The forest, the waterfall, the people. Looks amazing. But look at the sweat. Oh my god. It was my worst experience, but the view, the people, I love it. I love it, that place. But the route down goes down straight and ups down straight, and all the way the rocks, you can see that it's very straight rocks which can cut our legs if anyone can fall down. And it's right now not raining. If it will be raining, so the road more is scary than right now. So right now I complete my challenge. I trek all the way down from up, and it's time to check out, guys, because I'm feeling exhausted. And we're gonna have some snacks, water. We got water halfway through, but we cannot drink halfway through, because if we drink, so maybe we can get more exhausted and our stomach will hurt. That's why we didn't get water. But now we will have some rest, and then we will have snacks and water also. So okay, bye bye.